Hello friend, welcome back. So in today's video I will show you how to blow into the mouth hole and how to get clear sound from when you blowing. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and you can also check my previous videos about playing flute. So let's get started. So a lot of beginners struggles when they try to blow into the mouth hole, and when they try to get any sound from their flute, they simply gave up because they're not able to get any sound from their flute. So I need to tell you, don't give up, because it takes time. It takes a lot of time some persons, but if you're good and give more attention to your flute, you can get good sound from your flute so quickly. So don't think about finger holes. Okay, so I'm not showing my finger holes now. Grab and hold your flute like this, simply like this. Okay, your both hand sides from your mouth hole, and just place the mouth hole under your lower lip right here like this, and just like this I'm placing my flute under my lower lip and blowing like so. If you notice, when my first blow, I wasn't able to get a good sound from my flute. If you noticed, you will catch it. So I changed the position little bit, like moving my lips like this, and I blowed it again, and and then I able to get a good sound from my flute. So this also happened to you when you try to play and blow into your mouth hole like this. So if you also struggling when to get good sound from your flute, you can try these ways. First, move the position of your lip and flute like this. Place the correct position with blowing. You can notice with blowing where you can get good sound. Okay, now I can get good sound when I'm placing my flute right here like that. Also, you can change the position and the shape of your blowing hole from your lip. Like, we not blow like that, we use our lips like that. Okay, so you can change the mouth lips shape like this, and you can use that way also. And also you can slightly move your flute inside or outside from your lip like this. Use your fingers to move your flute. So you can see when I move my flute, I can get a good sound, and I notice where I can get a good sound when I move my flute like this. It is the best place to get good sound. You can also try these ways to get good sound from your flute. And also remember, when you're blowing, not full amount going inside. Okay, when we blow into our flute, only 50% of air going inside of our flute and 50% of going outside, the air amount going outside. So don't try to blow full air to the mouth hole. Just simply place your flute under your lip like this and simply blow. Okay, and also don't blow too hard, because a lot of persons blowing too hard to the mouth hole, like that. It's not a good way to blow to your flute. Just simply think about you're blowing to a pan clip or like that. Just imagine something, then try to blow. Okay, change the air amount, the speed of your blowing. When you're blowing, just try to change the amount of your breath blow. Okay, Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you will be able to get good sound from your flute. And when you blow into your flute, and when you get clear and good sound from your flute like this, it's a good sound. Okay, it's not a good sound like this. When you get a good sound like this, you can move to the finger holes. Okay, so first you need to get a perfect and clear sound when you blow into the mouth hole like this, so you can get good sound when you move to the finger holes. So you need to practice hard and don't give up until you get a good sound from your flute. So practice hard. I hope you get good sound from your flute so quickly. And so until that, let's meet in another video, in a tutorial video. So bye bye.